Have you ever stopped and thought to yourself, why is this happening to me? Why are things not going as planned? Sometimes we can easily forget that when we walk the road less traveled, we're going to face a few bumps along the way. Instead of getting caught up in the chaos, slow down, look around you, and see the beauty in all of it. Because seasons change, and every transition leads to your transformation. So if you're going through some changes in your life right now, maybe it's in your business, maybe it's in your health, or maybe it's in your relationships, it's okay. You're exactly where you need to be. Embrace the transition, because you're about to begin your transformation.